bypass mine now. I'll send you a photo of mine. Looking quite good. Even the back end I'm liking now.
It's looking clean.
Nothing, I like that way better than my 200 already. I'm thinking near that cafe strip, you know, down the main drag. There's one on the corner there that I've been to a couple of times.
If you go to that main strip, you take a right where the cinema is. There's bike parking. It's like out of the way, and then you can just walk up. It's yeah,
I'll follow you.
The Sanchuro's car park kind of thing. But it's like a sharp turn. As soon as you turn right, it's another sharp turn through a dodgy alleyway.
So when you go down the main street, you take a right, and then
yes,
straight away again, you go around the back.
Yeah. Plus, there'll be a nice little spot for us to do a little bit of revving too in there.
I love idling through past everyone.
Yeah.
Just sit on first, and you get that nice pop.
And you scare the shit out of everyone.
Oh, come on. Yeah.
Woo. This house has turned out quite nice. I've been keeping an eye on it every time I've ridden past. It's slowly being put together, and it looks like it's finally done. I would love to have the ability to own a house on this strip. Not because it's just like rich area, but it's like nice size property. Nice houses, you know, modern, and there's a lot of green. Well, not green, eco-friendly houses. And you can set, well, put it this way, it's easier to set up an eco-friendly house over here than it is anywhere in any other suburb. Because as much as these houses look posh, a lot of them are pretty energy efficient. One day maybe when the YouTube money starts coming in. That's if YouTube doesn't go bankrupt. Lol. Nah, they won't. Because it's already 28 degrees and she's getting hot.
Watch it won't start now.
Hey?
Take off as slow as you can.
Yeah, yeah. So, we had some brekkie, and now we're just gonna head up to Scarborough or Hillary up the coast, because we're not going to do the hills because it's already 33 degrees and we'll be heading into the peak heat very soon. So in the next 45 minutes it'll probably peak at like 36, 37 is what I saw. So yeah, we don't want to be doing that. And he's got Luke's got his not got a jump jacket on, so he'll be able to handle the heat. But for me, I'll be poached to the leg in this jacket. Even though it's a summer jacket, it's very good with airflow and all that. But yeah, heat's still heat. Not to mention, the bike is giving off quite a lot of heat. So as long as we're moving, we're Gucci. But otherwise, yeah. And I officially got seriously sunburned bad Friday. So my back is hurting with the clothes rubbing against it, the jacket rubbing against it, that kind of stuff. But I'm in pain. And the only thing keeping the pain away is just, yeah, the cold air. Or the flow of air, to be honest, not even cold air. And Luke was just saying that his bike is throwing up a couple of codes because his suspension has been giving him a bit of trouble, which is a little annoying. It's a cool old car, but it turns like a goddamn boat. Yeah, right, and then just straight all the way down.
And then what? Does that put you on Toxin?
Yeah. Yeah. And then Tonkin and pretty much just straight.
That?
For me, it'll be Tonkin and then straight.
Yeah, I'll just bounce Tonkin.
For you, it... Actually, yeah, if you keep going the same way I am.
Turn up, turn into row.
Yeah, yeah, it turns into row at the end. people, I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you for watching, and as always, thank you for supporting my channel and coming back week after week. I have officially been doing YouTube for 1 whole year now, which is awesome, guys. It's awesome. And being that this will probably be recorded maybe my 2nd or 3rd video of the new year, I'd like to thank all the old subscribers who continuously come back and watch me, and all to the new subscribers who are subbing to me. Thank you, deeply appreciated. And for those who are seeing my videos consistently, I hope I can earn your subscription and your like and all that beautiful jazz, because I'm hoping to, by the end of 2023, to have hit my, well, I haven't set a goal, but I just hope I can continue to produce more content that people enjoy watching. Like, I know my content's not exactly similar to a lot of other YouTubers, in the sense that this is more like a vlog style setup, because, you know, most of these recordings are just for my own safety, and I just, you know, decided to buy a mic one day and slap it to the recording setup, and yeah, it's just, yeah, you know, I'm not doing this intently for making like awesome content, even though I'd like to reach that point at some time on my YouTube platform. But predominantly this is more of a security and safety thing, and yeah, it just happened to work out that yeah, friends came along, we got up to some mischief, and I'm hoping that in the new year we have more mischief that we're able to get up to. And I hope everyone else had a beautiful Christmas, New Year's and all that jazz. But without further ado, thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace, ride safe, and always remember, deuces.